Hey students, welcome to Unit 13. This unit we're going to be focused on creating a small little video in an online platform called Animoto. Yes, there are paid options. No, you are not required to pay for anything. What I will require is you to build a profile and play around with it and create and share a video link with your peers. I provided you one example of what I've done, and I did a long one. This is a paid version, so by no means will yours be as long, but you'll see it has several different examples of the work that I've done in the graphic design program, student work per se, so you may even recognize some of it if any of you have worked with me in some of these classes. Some of this work might actually be yours. So that is my Animoto video, just a little start of it. And you'll be required to create the free, I believe it's a 30-second, maybe even shorter now, video. And then you will share your video links here and then submit them here. Okay? So if you have questions, let me know. Follow the instructions. Obviously, start here first, and it kind of gives you a rundown of how to create this video. And Animoto actually also has some video tutorials to help you if needed. Have a productive week, and I'll see you in next week's video.